Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you step-by-step through the process of setting up the Mi WiFi Repeater 2. This handy device is designed to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage, providing a stronger and more reliable connection in areas of your home that typically experience weak or spotty signal. Let's dive in. Let's start by unboxing the Mi WiFi Repeater 2. Inside the package, you'll find the repeater unit, a helpful quick start guide, and a USB power cable. The device is designed with a sleek, compact form, making it convenient to plug in and place anywhere in your home for optimal use. To start the setup, plug the Mi WiFi Repeater 2 into a nearby power outlet close to your router. Ensure it's positioned within the range of your router's Wi-Fi signal, as it requires a strong connection to effectively extend the signal throughout your space. Next, take your smartphone and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the network named Xiaomi_XXXX, which is the temporary network broadcasted by the Mi WiFi Repeater 2. Once you find it, select the network to connect and proceed with the setup. Next, you'll need to download the Mi Home app to complete the setup process. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download the app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. After installing the Mi Home app, open it on your smartphone. If you already have a Mi account, simply sign in using your credentials. If not, you can easily create a new account to continue with the setup process. Inside the Mi Home app, tap the icon to begin adding a new device. From the list of available options, choose Wi-Fi Repeater 2. The app will then automatically begin searching for your repeater, ensuring it's ready for the next step in the setup. Next, the app will prompt you to select your home Wi-Fi network from the available options. Choose your network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once entered, the repeater will automatically connect to your network and begin boosting your Wi-Fi signal, extending coverage throughout your home. Within the Mi Home app, you can easily monitor the repeater's status, manage devices connected to your network, and adjust settings to optimize performance. The app's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to manage and customize your Wi-Fi setup as needed. If you face any issues or require assistance during the setup process, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to provide support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll be happy to help resolve your concerns. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up the Mi WiFi Repeater 2 to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage and improve connectivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.